We work very closely with Control4, and when the opportunity arose to be one of the first certified showrooms, with the extra support and things we were getting from Control4, it looked like a way to drive a lot more business. Control4 and home automation especially is the key piece of our business now, much more so than a lot of the audio video stuff. So we're spending a lot more time working in homes with lighting systems, automated shades, HVAC, all the control functions of a home, and then adding audio video more at the end, where it used to be the other way around. Almost every room except the TV room, we have rearranged, we've put new equipment in it. We've upgraded just about every piece of equipment in the showroom in the last 2.5 months. This room is completely different. The automation room and the C4 experience room is completely different. We just stripped both of these rooms to the walls and started over. Certainly we expect the certification with the work that Control4 is helping us with outbound calling, getting a prime spot on their website. We expect this to increase our Control4 business as well as the rest of our business fairly significantly. Yes, automation is a very significant portion of our company. We do very little that doesn't have some automation involved in it. And many times, as I said, automation is the lead and it's the reason we get involved. And then a home theater or a fancy 2-channel setup or something gets pulled in with it. We expect that as the do-it-yourself products continue to grow on the market, those are big companies. They're spending a lot of money making the general public aware of home automation, and they are still somewhat falling short in terms of making it easy enough for people to use. So we just see that even the do-it-yourself products are getting us called into more and more customer sites to do something a little more sophisticated than what those products do. All of us come from AV backgrounds, either professionally or as an amateur. Myself as an amateur, but I was the one starting in college that always had the latest turntable and the best amplifiers and speakers I could afford, and I did that all through life. You'll never get the 2-channel out of me anyway, and I think most of the people feel that way.